Alright, y'all, so the joys of it being, I'm trying to stay up above because, you know, I'm still in PJs, which means I don't have a bra on. Anyways, let's move on. So, the joys, hold on. The joys of it being 21 below. We woke up this morning, our water was froze, so that was fun, a lot of fun. And now, Mom's making her coffee finally after hours of being awake. I got our Girl Scout meeting planned for the next month. We've been busy already this morning, haven't we? Huh? Have you been busy, little gal? Mm-mm. Huh?
I only built a fort.
Oh, she's only built a fort this morning, which, you know, it takes a lot of effort to build a fort. It takes a lot of effort. So, high five. Good job. You're awesome.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure it's all funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just, ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just, ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Josina is talking to Grandma about shapes she's making with her colored pencils. I'm gonna get some chili going since it is Arctic-like out there. Oh, this hamburger's still just a hair froze, but that's okay. We're just gonna cook it on lower and it'll be fine. It'll be fine. And yeah, I don't know. I didn't get any chili seasoning, so we're just gonna throw some chili powder. I got some of this Cajun Perfect Pinch, some garlic salt, some onion powder, and then when I get the hamburger all done, I'm going to throw in these minced onions because I also did not get an onion, so yay for that. The rest of this mess is just from me trying to get spices out of the cupboard. That cupboard is such a mess, let's not open it. It's pretty scary. One of these days, real soon, I need to organize that spice cupboard, but that is not right now. Not in the mood for it. So, I'm gonna get this hamburger browned, get all this stuff dumped in, and then I'll meet you at the crock pot. Alright, so I got the hamburger drained in the crock pot. I got it turned on low. Don't mind the pile of pop cans if y'all can see them. I don't really know if you can see them, but if you can, don't mind them. I'm not taking them out. It's freezing cold. That garbage is full, so I will send it with Pat when he comes home for lunch. But I am not going out there to save my soul today. It's not happening, y'all. Okay, I lied. It is happening. I gotta go out and water calves, so maybe I'll take it on the way to do that, but I don't like the cold. Alright, anyways, let's move on with the chili. So I've got all the cans open because who wants to watch that? I'm gonna throw in these minced onion. Sprinkle it in till it looks good. Anybody else who does not measure is just like, that looks good. Looks good. Alright, and then my next thing is I really like V8 juice in my chili. It is probably my favorite thing to put in chili. It's honestly the one constant with my chili. I feel like I make chili just a hair different most of the time, but V8 juice is always a constant every time. So I'm going to throw in a couple cans of that. Add it to the can pile, because, you know, why not? Why not? And then we'll start with that for juice. Fun fact, my family does not like very thin chili at all, or soup for that matter. The thicker, the better. And I'm also a very messy cook. Alright, next I just got a couple cans of the mild Rotel tomatoes. I'm going to start with that. And then if I need to add more tomatoes, I've got more that I can add. But we're going to start with these and see how that looks to start with. And then, I think the channel I seen this on was the Redfords. Don't quote me. I will link it down below if I can find the video, but they used Bush's baked beans for their chili instead of chili beans. So I'm gonna try that because, you know, kids don't like things very spicy, so I've never tried it, and, you know, why not try something new? Why not? And our store didn't have a whole lot of options on Bush's beans, so I went with the bourbon and brown sugar. Because, you know, why not? This can's a mess, like I told you. I'm a messy cook. I spilled this can all over the counter and all over everything already, so, you know. Yeah, no. I wish I was a clean cook, but that is not who I am. It would definitely be easier in the long run, though, if it was. Alright. I need a spoon. Mix it all together. See if there's anything else we could use in here. I always try and make our chili with more beans than anything, honestly, because, you know, just how we like it. Like I say, I've never tried this Bush's baked beans and chili, so I'm kind of interested to see how that works out. Hopefully it's good. I can't decide if I want another can of tomatoes. I think I'm gonna throw another can of tomatoes in here because, you know. Anybody else like to make a whole crock pot of chili that's gonna last them for ever? I will probably end up having to freeze some of this, but that's okay. Alright, let's see if this can of tomatoes makes it look rounded out. I also could not find cornbread yesterday. I thought I had some cornmeal here, but I don't. So I don't know what I'm gonna make with this chili. Might have to make some cinnamon rolls or something. I don't really know. I don't know yet. I'm just winging it. All I know is I am not leaving the house for the next couple days because it is cold and I'm not playing that game. I'm not doing it. I know my family and friends up north don't want to hear anything about it, but I'm gonna complain anyways, so, you know. Alright. Well, that looks pretty good. Alright, we're gonna let this cook on low, and it should be ready by supper time. If I was really smart, I'd cook it on high and have it ready by lunch, so I only had to cook once today, but, you know, I'll make him something else for lunch so he doesn't complain too much about the chili, which he'll probably eat for lunch tomorrow. So, yeah, no. Alrighty, we got it going. Now I gotta go out and do the calf water. I would take y'all with me, but I don't think a camera's gonna work very well out in that cold, so I will leave y'all in here. And yeah, just pray you see me again in this video and I don't turn into an icicle out there. Alright, we will check back later. We'll check back with the chili, and I'll let you know what I decided to make with it, because as of right now, I have no idea what I'm gonna make with this. So, you know, I'd say to let me know, but by the time you guys see this video, it's done over with. So, anyhow, I'm gonna go freeze to death. Wish me luck. Fingers crossed I don't completely freeze. I know I'm gonna freeze, but hopefully I don't completely freeze. Pat, I feel bad for him out there working today. They're kind of just trying to watch the little baby calves and get them pulled up as soon as they get dropped by their moms today because it's freezing cold out there. So it's take the calves to the barn kind of day. You know. Alright, anyways. Alright, the chili is finally done. Are you excited to eat it, Esme?
Moo.
Why do you keep mooing?
Moo.
Wow.
Moo.
Children are weird. So there he is. Let's give him a good little stir for you. He's so good, you guys. Look at that. Oh my
you
goodness.
tried it. How do you know it's good?
It smells good.
It does smell good.
So hopefully it tastes as good as it smells. You think it will?
I don't know.
Cheese? Cheese? Who are you?
That's me.
Monster.
It's like the same one we always have.
It does? Is it good?
This tastes like the same.
Is it better?
Do you like it?
It tastes like the same
Do
one.
you like it though?
But it tastes like the same one we always have.
Alright, so that is where we are going to leave you for today, and we are going to eat our chili.
You'll give me some
Yeah,
jackass.
I hope you all had a good day. Bye!